Hello guys, today I'll show you how to unlock any Samsung Galaxy A series phone. So follow me step by step. Now insert my local SIM card. Just few seconds wait. After insert, then show this message SIM network unlock pin. That means your phone is country locked. So you need to unlock it. If you have unlock code, then try it. Now I am trying random unlock code. It's not successful. It's show unsuccessful. So anyway, don't worry. Now I am show you final process for unlocking. So guys, this method totally no need to any cost. You can try it at your home. Now follow me. When I insert my local SIM card, then show network unlock pin. But now I will insert UK international roaming SIM. This roaming SIM card I will connect it right now. So this facility is when I will connect roaming SIM card, then automatically search and auto carrier selected in my local country. So you can follow my video showing network bar and carrier also network, all is okay. When roaming SIM card connect and network is okay, then you need to dial a number. This number toll free number, so you no need any cost or balance. Is totally free number, toll free number. You can search toll free number in Google, then try it. Now I am dialing a number, so follow my video. Now start calling. No problem. Calling is start. So for unlock done, need 5-minute talk. So follow me. So guys, finally my phone is unlocked right now. So you can try my method and dial this number and enjoy. If you think my video is very helpful for you, then subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe.